1st July 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. On July 1st, 1991, the National Doctors' Day was established by central government to honor Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy, who was an eminent physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. This day pays tribute to the whole medical profession and to highlight the value of doctors in our lives. Now, let's head towards today's headlines. Prime Minister extends Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana till November 2020. During the Prime Minister's sixth address to the people of India since the outbreak of coronavirus pandemic in the country, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that India will enter into the Unlock 2 phase from today, that is July 1 onwards. He also added that Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana will be extended till the end of November. Next, Uttarakhand Forest Department develops India's first lichen park. Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed India's first lichen park in Kumaon's Munsiyari, Pithoragarh district. The project aims to study the distribution of different lichen species, their habitat, morphological and physiological aspects, and coming up with suitable conservation and protection strategies, cause lichens are the best bioindicators of pollution level. Next, Maharashtra launches largest plasma therapy trial, Project Platina. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has launched the world's largest plasma therapy trials, Project Platina, for COVID-19 patients. The state government has approved 16.65 crore rupees for the project from the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Next, Madhya Pradesh government to launch Kill Corona campaign. Madhya Pradesh government will launch a Kill Corona campaign from today to control the spread of COVID-19 in the state. Under the campaign, the door-to-door survey will be conducted and tests would also be done on citizens for other diseases as well. Next, 3 more states, Odisha, Sikkim and Mizoram, have joined the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme, taking the number of states and union territories which have joined the scheme to 20, said Union Consumer Affairs Minister Ram Vilas Paswan. Next, India signs agreement with Bhutan for 600 megawatt hydroelectric project. India and Bhutan signed a pact for the construction of the 600 megawatt Kolangchu joint venture hydroelectric project in Bhutan. This agreement for the project was with the Bhutanese government. Therefore, the project was signed within the presence of Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar and his Bhutanese counterpart Tandi Dorji. Next, World Bank approves $500 million for STARS, or Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States program. It seeks to improve the quality and governance of school education in 6 Indian states, namely Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Odisha and Rajasthan. It will also support India's goal of providing education for all. Next, Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju has launched the National Anti-Doping Agency's first mobile app named as NADA app or NADA app. This app is expected to act as one-stop guide for all anti-doping and medication-related information. Next, the Union government strengthened its top legal team by extending the term of K.K. Venugopal as the Attorney General for 1 year, Tushar Mehta as the Solicitor General for 3 years, and appointing 6 new additional Solicitors General, besides extending the tenure of 5 existing additional Solicitors General. Next, a 6-year-old boy in Mumbai donates 54,000 rupees he earned with his paintings to fight COVID-19 pandemic. A 6-year-old boy, Kavir Modi, donated rupees 54,000 to the COVID battle after earning that money from the sale of his abstract paintings. Now, let's have a look at some significant events. Do you know? July 1 is celebrated as National Chartered Accountant Day in India. The day is observed in order to celebrate the formation of Institute of Chartered Accountant of India ICAI on July 1st, 1949. Next, on 1938 July 1, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, an internationally acclaimed flutist of India, was born. He plays bansuri or flute in the Hindustani classical tradition. On 1st July 1993, 1 second was added to the clock. Next, today, National Postal Workers' Day is also celebrated. It is a unique opportunity to say thank you not only to the postmen but also to all the delivery personnel. Next, July 1 commemorates the joining of Canada's original 3 provinces, that is, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and the Canada province, which is now Ontario and Quebec, as one nation in 1867. Next, the theme for National Doctors' Day 2020 is Lessen the Mortality of COVID-19. Today is the day to enjoy a good laugh as the world celebrates International Joke Day. This day was created by author and graphic artist Wayne Reingold in 1994. Thank you for today. With this, the episode comes to an end.